Preventative plumbing maintenance and its importance to your home or business. Keeping your home safe and sound and taking care of your home's plumbing is crucial for longevity and peace of mind. Neglecting it can cause burst pipes or blocked drains, and these are the main water damage culprits according to statistics. This can lead to costly repairs due to emergency plumbing and possibly extensive damage to the home or business. Statistics show that 77% of water damage incidents occur while people are at home. Your home or business is an asset, so why not look after it with preventative plumbing maintenance? Refined Plumbing understands the importance of proactive plumbing care. We offer competitively priced plumbing services across the Sunshine Coast, keeping your home in great condition throughout the year and for years to come. Why preventative plumbing maintenance is vital? Regular plumbing maintenance is essential for early issue detection, preventing costly repairs or emergency plumbing callouts. Did you know 1 in 5 Aussies don't know where their water main is? Worryingly, 1 in 5 also don't know how to turn it off. What does preventative plumbing maintenance entail? Taking proactive measures like inspections, cleaning, repairs, replacements, and servicing to prevent plumbing problems, thus avoiding costly repairs or emergency callouts. Investing in regular plumbing checkups helps protect your home or business from expensive repairs. It also keeps your plumbing system working smoothly for longer. Contact Refined Plumbing on the Sunshine Coast for reliable and comprehensive plumbing maintenance services. Call to book your checkup now for peace of mind. 0405 142 154 or go to our website www.refinedplumbingsunshinecoast.com.au